Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process to run Python code on Android mobile. So if you guys also want to use it on your Android device, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up the Play Store application on your device. And once you open it up, you may basically go ahead and look out for PyDroid. So look out for the search in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on search, here you will be finding different options, and you can tap on the search at the top and type in PyDroid there to explore the given options. Once you find it up, you can just go ahead and look out for this result and tap on this one right here. You can download this one right here and install it. Once the installation is completed, you can click on open and then open it up on your screen. And you can set it up. You can tap on continue. And once you tap on continue, you can select what's your goal. Like if you want to learn Python, develop small scripts, etc. You can select one of the goal and tap on continue. And once you do so, you can select what's your Python level as a beginner, intermediate, advanced, or expert. So you can select that option and again tap on continue. And once it is confirmed, you can select what type of programs are you planning to run, simple terminal or web programs, graphical user interface programs, or anything else. Just select the one that you're trying to do. After that, you can just go ahead and tap on continue. And once it is confirmed, you can just go ahead and read these up, like tweaking some preferences, etc., and tap on continue. And once it is done, it will start creating your Python IDE, where it will personalize it for you. And tap on continue, and you can start. So there we go. Now what you can do is you can start typing in code here in this number one. You can just go ahead and type in the code. Once you type in the code, you can look out for this play option right here and tap on play. And once you do, the result will be displayed on your screen, and that is it. So therefore, if you'd also like to run Python code on your Android device, it is the most efficient and simple way you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.